All right, guys, I'm getting ready for my maiden voyage, and I am beyond excited. So I gotta put the slide in. Let's see. There we go. You always want to make sure you're hooked up to power for this, not do it on battery power. I already checked to make sure nothing was in the way. Sometimes stuff can fall in between the trailer and the slide. They say to always hold it for a few seconds, so it's even. All right. I love this. Look, you can still walk through here to get to the bathroom. There's like plenty of room. It's awesome. Like all the way? I have a manual handle in the thing. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, it says trailer connected. We will be setting up our trailer brakes shortly. The gain is at 10. We'll probably start at 7 and see what happens. Alright guys, so I just practiced backing up in a straight line, some 90-degree turns. I didn't get a ton of video because I was trying to concentrate, but all went well. So now I am going to tow this home and set it back up. A little bumpy. To get used to taking corners wide again.